What's up? Welcome to the stream. Good to see everybody tonight. Good to see you. 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 Nah, anyway, super excited, super stoked. By the way, I made some of this tonight. This is like a gallon's worth of slime. I made it with a friend on a video. So I gotta go through and edit all that kind of stuff. But not tonight. Not tonight. Hopefully everything as far as volume goes is great. It's not like it was last night. But if it is, I understand. I get it. I get it, okay? I'm not as good as I once was at streaming, but I'm still getting better every day. Hopefully you guys have been liking the new thumbnails that I've been doing. Those have been way cool. But we're going to look at... I wanted to go through and set up my M1 Finance account. Show you guys how I was going to do that. All the kind of stuff that goes along with that. And, you know, so on and so forth and whatever. Pretty much. So I just got to get pulled up on the actual video. First, get everything kind of set up. Coins, you know. The whole kit and caboodle. What up, Hector? Good to see you, man. What up, Travis see, man, there I go again. There I go again. Again. Literally again. I got to knock that off. Got to knock that off. Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. Seems like it's been forever, but really it's only been about a night. What did you guys think of that video? Victoria AT&T came out in stash. Are you happy about that? Sorry, I had to ask. Good to see you also. Eric, so happy. Check out. Oh. That video's not been released yet. Check out the video tomorrow. That's all I got to say right there. I'll say about that right there. I'm going to say about that right there is check the video tomorrow morning. You'll understand why. Not going to bust into a song tonight, but could sing you a lullaby. Yo, we made so much slime today. I literally made a gallon of slime. First time ever making slime. And we recorded it for the YouTube channel, so I don't know what's going to happen. What up, Green Ghost? You're actually in the lead, man. Congratulations. Good to see you guys. No current likes yet, but whatever. I know that this will get the ball rolling, so just go ahead and toss it out there. So, what up, Ryan? Good to see you, man.
Love you.
Me too. You could take the shaving cream if you want it.
No, I'm good.
We'll save it for next week or something, or when the next time we decide to make slime.
Or maybe at 100 views.
Or maybe at 100 views when we make 5 gallons of slime.
Yeah. Everyone, so view the video.
She got me making slime, yo.
Who wants to sell it now? Who wants to sell this now? Alright, we're gonna go the other way. Okay, bye, Keith.
See you later, Dariana.
Dariana, yeah.
Yeah, see you later.
Oh my god, you're playing with your slime.
Yo,
Okay,
it's
I
just,
got you addicted.
it's so good, man. I love this slime. Guys, this big, huge jug of slime. It literally shakes the entire camera. I don't even know if this is what the kids are playing with these days, but apparently. Nah, she just came to say bye. That would be cool though. That would be cool. This is probably the coolest thing that I've done all day. What's KCoin? Yo, Eric, glad you asked, man. KCoin is a coin currency, crypto fiat currency that I give out here on my channel. No, it's not a cryptocurrency. Well, I guess it could be considered a cryptocurrency, but it's just like a coin that I give out on my channel. And you get points for the amount of watch time. You got to be active in the stream though, like comment like every like 5 to 10 minutes, I think, or something like that. And the person who has the most KCoin at the end of the week wins half an ounce of silver. So /2314 has won it the last 2 weeks, and then Ryan won it the very last week. And so yeah, that's how it works. Sorry that I'm playing with this slime. If you guys get the chance, if you have kids, making slime with them is probably the best idea. I just opened up my M1 Finance. I use it and set up as a dividend monthly income. Can you help me out? Name a few bonds that pay dividends every month. I hold NFLT. I don't think it really pays that much, but it's actively managed. But it does. Since I've owned it, it pays out pretty much every single month. And then also there's another one that I own, but I just bought it yesterday. Or last week. It's called JUNK or JNK, junk bonds, and it's basically like dividend paying bond ETF. So feel free to check that one out too. Everybody's getting their coin flippage on. I'm about to pull up this profile here in a second. If you're seeing the bot say check out Gesture stream, me and him did a Fortnite stream last night, which we'll probably end up doing something more weekly along those lines, but because I had so much fun, and plus then I don't have to like really like come up with a script for the actual stream. I can just game and hopefully bring him some value, and his channel some value. So that's what I'll end up doing probably on Friday nights. But yeah. So, without further ado, let me, this slime is literally the coolest, guys. It is literally so cool. Sorry, okay, let me put that away. I wish I could take you on like a tour of the garage. Ghost Green Ghost Flip Coin. Why does this guy keep on pulling up? Hector! I addressed it, man. I think I got to it already. Yeah, JUNK and NFLT. Not recommended, just saying that that's what I own. Yeah. Let me get M1 Finance pulled up and ready to rumble. Oh my goodness, guys. That was so much slime. Literally so much slime. She didn't even expect. She was like, yeah, we'll make a gallon each. And I was like, okay, cool. The slime itself is so expensive. And then, oh my goodness. Just like... whatever. It's for the kids, you know. It's worth it. It's for the kids. Let me plug in my audio so that way I feel a little bit better. That way I can hear myself jam out. Looks like you're making a mighty fine pizza dough. You know it. Yes, what do you like more, silver coins or silver bars? I personally like silver bars. Yeah, bars. I don't know why. I mean, I'll buy either or. It doesn't. I don't really have, I guess, a preference as long as it's like an ounce or whatever. And it's not fake, then I don't really care what it is. But I don't want anything that's fake. That's fake news, yo. Oops, not that one. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Alrighty. Dang it, clicked on the display capture. Don't want that one. There we go. Got the one that I want. I'm just trying to get this thing sorted on the screen real quick, guys. Alrighty, cool. Welcome to my M1 account. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look. Yo, what else? Yeah, for sure. That's what I like more. Dude, I would kill for some pizza right now, man. Sounds so good. Yeah, there's a few. Ryan's pretty up to date on the bonds, so I would go ahead and check out any of those as well. So I was talking about running my portfolio similar to the way to popularity on Robinhood. And I know everybody's like, what the heck do you mean by that? Well, before I've been talking about going to Robinhood, and then I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. So to be more actively managed, about 1 month is how often I'll touch the percentages on the account and add and transfer and all that kind of stocks and that kind of thing. So first I need to go. Sorry guys, so tired, but feeling good. I'm still feeling right, you know. Nothing's holding me down. Still feeling right. Still feeling good. Collect them coins though, yo, because the silver is getting given away after this in the stream. I ate some Blaze pizza like 10 minutes ago. Blaze, man, I heard that stuff is pretty good. That's the company that's the people who started that company also started Wetzel Pretzel. Yo, you're welcome, Hector, man. Good luck with that. I don't know if I would run a bond. I would maybe look for equities that pay dividends over bonds. That might give you better growth as well. But safe. I mean, that's safe, though. So I need to go to top 100, which is Apple. Just go to Apple right now. I think SJNJ is but great dividend. So Apple, and then we'll go to the 100 most popular. And then we'll go to popularity, sorted by popularity. And then we want an analyst rating of 50% or higher. So this is my criteria right here. These ones. And then we'll just watch this. You guys will be like, wow. We'll just copy this real quick, and then we'll go over here. I already got it done on my spreadsheet, so if it doesn't work a second time, it'll be okay. But it's gonna be my M1 spreadsheet. Let me just delete all these real quick. And then we'll just put it back in there, yo. Oh, wow, that looks even way different. Okay. If you guys can't see that, I understand that why. So, what I'm going to do is this right here. Oh, man, I did it one down. Got to retry that. Right there. All right. And then this will be the sum of all these and one more. So 57. And then how come this is not working? Oh, that's because I got these buys in here. I got to go through and take all these buys. There we go. So it'll give me an analyst rating as well. You guys will see this and you guys will be like, whoa. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold. I'll show you the breakdown. And I'm gonna hold these for a month, and then after that month, I guess the one that gets dropped, whatever one gets dropped, I'll just drop from my portfolio for now. I was planning on making like a second chance one, for like ones that got dropped, but like a second chance pie, I guess what I would call it. You're welcome, Hector, man. I appreciate it, man. Thanks for just coming here and hanging out. I appreciate it, dude. For slime, I use glue and detergent. Yep. You know it. That's what I do, man. Slime detergent all day, every day. I guess you can use lotion to like soften it up a little bit more. What's up, Adrian the Great? Good to see you, man. Thanks for coming on. Thanks for hanging out, yo. Thanks for being a real team player. Yo, but if you guys play Fortnite on Microsoft, like if you have Xbox, let me know, because we can probably stream up when I play with gestures. So, but if you don't, if you have PS4, then I'll have to try to catch you on a different night. And I'm so sorry that everybody's trying to hold out. I feel like I got only a little bit more to go. Today's the 12th. We'll just do this on the 12th of every single month. Oh, we'll do it every 4 weeks. I feel like that's a little bit easier. So, not the 12th of every single month, every 4 weeks. What up, Slash? Welcome to the stream, man. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Yo, the coin twinder is not correct right now, guys. I just had a realization that it's not correct. Actually, Ryan is winning. That's kind of weird. Ryan is actually winning right now. My bro plays and he is hella really good at Fortnite. Heck yeah, man. Tell him to add me. Coach Keith. I suck. So anybody that can help carry is like 100% can be on my team. I did win the first game I ever played though on the stream, which is cool. Yo, so the reason why I'm showing you guys this is just to get your opinion, honest opinion. It's going to be all equities though, so I understand that. So here's the breakdown percent, right? So what it is popularity is this one right here. So we'll put pop percent. And then this one is analyst percent. Analyst percent. Right? And this is total or average. So what I was also thinking about doing is adding in market cap, which I could totally definitely do. The only thing is I would have to level these ones out to when it says millions to actual millions and not billions. But I was thinking about doing market cap also. What do you think about target retirement dates for M1 funds? You know, man, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to be honest with you, Adrian the Great, keeping it real. I don't have much experience using M1. So I could go take a look. Let me get into expert pies. I think that's what you're talking about. Plan for retirement. And then right here. Yeah, so that's pretty much like any mutual fund's going to have something like this. Same kind of thing. This is I think this is an ETF. M1 runs a quantitative analysis from which low-cost ETF will best track the asset class. So yeah. Now this pretty much looks like a target date, like mutual fund or ETF. Like that's what you put in your 401k or whatever. If you got a target 2050 or whatever, that's exactly the same thing. Super similar. Thanks for asking though, my man. I wouldn't bet on it for myself, but if you don't, again, if you don't have time or whatever, or just concerned or want to do like want to try to keep it a little bit more safe or whatever, like there's nothing wrong with doing that. Plus it's free. So Hector, equities will always pace out bonds. Target date pies and tolerance levels are great. Arden. I tried to set up my portfolio only bonds and dividends for I could have the monthly income. Nah, and definitely I think that 6 flips in a row my soul weeps. That's because Gestures is not here. Green Ghost, man. Y'all hit the like button. Thanks for the shout out, man. I gotta appreciate that. Don't try for a dividend-based portfolio unless you have the principal to support it. Interesting. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a pie. This is the only one that's on there right now, but so I'm taking the 100 most popular stocks over here with the analyst of over 50%, and then their popularity, and then I'm gonna take that and put it in over here. So the percentages are gonna actually be these ones right here. And then eventually what I'll end up doing is probably throwing in the market cap also, to give it another average. But for now, I don't want to take the time in to go and actually write out each one of these numbers. Doesn't seem like something fun that I would like to do, let's be honest. So Apple, let me get these split up on 2 screens. And this one. So you click on here. Oh man, oh man, that's why, because this is not. Let me lock this one down. Protect range. Oh, didn't do that. Conditional formatting. Oh man, I forget how to lock this thing in there. Define name range. Oh no, it's not that one either. I think it's just a format. Text wrapping, merge cells, align. Freeze. Row 1. Oh, no, wrong one. I gotta freeze the other one. Freeze. Column number 1. There we go. That'll make it so much easier. Alright, let me just cut off some comments real quick. Thinking of having my M1 a little bit more risky than stash. Definitely, man. Why not? I would just try to make it a little bit longer. There's still like glue in my hair from. Yo, I think it's time for me to get a new chair. I can't do this thing where I sink every single time. Then I'm like, people come to the stream and they're like, why the heck is this guy hiding? And it's like, I'm not hiding. I'm not hiding. I'm just trying to get this chair to work. So, new chair on the menu. Gotta go garage selling. Someone switched to dividends. Some switch to dividends and bonds when they get closer to retirement. Definitely. Is the video like 5 minutes behind the chat for anyone else? Yeah, it's like a 30-second delay. It should be a 30-second delay. It might be actually a minute. I don't know though, but it is a little bit delayed, yes. In other words, a slow-moving blind DMD, okay, will give much slower growth than taking the same amount of principal and getting good, stable dividends. Yes, exactly, slash. Cool, didn't know that. 100%. Dividends are great, and especially bonds are great, but they keep your money safe and doesn't move much anywhere. But that doesn't mean that they're bad. That just means that, oh, I don't want me to share. I want to add stuff. Add slices. It looks like, oh, I got to get off this. Amazon. Yo, I don't want that up. Got to go around. Microsoft. Facebook. Oh my goodness, why did I click on that? Sorry about that, guys. Facebook, Bank of America. Nvidia. Yo, a lot of people like Nvidia, huh? I can see why. I mean, I used their gaming system last night. It was phenomenal. Netflix. Amazon. Alibaba. Disney. By the way, Amazon is huge. How was the dual stream? Nah, it's cool. Yeah, yo. Don't worry about it. Don't be tripping. Longer term investment should be riskier. You will waste more time in the market. Exactly. Went to local Kohl's and they are accepting Amazon returns. Wow. That's awesome. That's crazy. The Walt Disney Company. Micron. Square. Oh man, did I just right here? Square Class A. Our web app is not optimized for viewing from on mobile devices for the best. I know, I don't care if it's optimized. Disney, Alibaba, Starbucks. I like some Starbucks. As well as USPS works Sundays now too to ship Amazon parcels. I know, man. Yo, what the heck did I just do? No. Are you kidding me? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so then there you go. I mean, it's what I would guess go with then. Like if you got a plan, I don't see a problem with it. I'm not going to knock it. All right, I'm going to pull this over here so that way I can and I'm just going to add one of those each by themselves, I guess. Even though this is like the super long way to do it, we're gonna make this one in 6%. It's like, yo, your total is not correct yet. I know, but you guys literally screwed me over. Because then you get me hopping around like this, and it's like super lame. 5% into Microsoft. And which one is this one? Facebook. 5% into Facebook. And then Bank of America. And Nvidia. There we go. It's about time it starts pulling stuff up. Come on, what were you doing? There we go. And then last one is Ali. There you go. Now you're working with me. M1 Finance is free. Yes, exactly. Sorry about that. Regular Acorns account is more of a midterm account, not retirement. Acorns later, and M1 are retirement. So, does anybody know how much shares outstanding is good for a company? I mean, it doesn't. Institutional ownership versus shares outstanding is not really a bad thing. That doesn't affect the shareholder. Because if they wanted to, they could always authorize more. Does that make sense? For me, I'm looking at more like how they're doing as a company. For Amazon 4. Netflix 3. Total 45%. Disney. Micron. Square. Starbucks. Intel. Hey coach, you look good on M1 Finance. LOL. Thank you. Thank you. I try my best. Berkshire. Class B, I think. Yeah, Class B. JD.com. And Alphabet. Google. This one. Alright, let's add these ones. 2%. A lot of these are going to be just 2, so whoa. Let's see. Tim Miller was telling me Redbox is starting to stream as well as Netflix. Huh. I thought Netflix and Redbox, Netflix was owned by Redbox. I could be wrong though. Can you have more than one pie? Yes, you can. Yes, Hector, you can set up a pie with any positions you want in them, then add them to the main pie. Yep. Precisely. PayPal. Activision. Dropbox. Cisco. Coca-Cola. Shopify. Visa. Plug. All right. That's cool if it's already part of my pie. So 2, 1 in Coca-Cola. Wow. Cisco, Dropbox, Activision Blizzard, PayPal. And Plug is 2 also. Add in some more. In SYS. And GM. And Boeing. Applied Materials. All right, back into the yep. Micron is a big gamble, coach. I give you 3 better semiconductors. Yeah, we'll see. How do you deposit money into both pies? Think of adding Alphabet, AMD, Amazon, Nvidia. Take 2 others. Should I look at? Oh, I think you could be pretty safe with Amazon and Alphabet for sure. I don't know, on Stash specifically. Oh, to my M1. Okay. I was like, oh man, on Stash. Well, Stash doesn't really have that many that grow that fast, but I don't know. I think Domino's Pizza, which Ryan can vouch there, but I think that one is probably poised to do pretty good. I'm not near future retirement, but I am fan of utility stock. SO Southern Company. I think I might pick them up too. We'll see. You'll fund the account, not the pie. Get it? Exactly. Yeah. So for instance, and I'll show you my wife's account here in a second because she has a separate pie. You guys got me all distracted now. Applied Materials is 2, and then Boeing is 2. 1 in GM, 2. All right. So I got to keep on adding more. Add slices. This one. Nike. This is pretty much going to be one big ETF. I'm going to call it my Amazon ETF. Spotify apparently is going in there. Southwest Company. Oh, this no, I went Southwest. There we go, Southwest Airlines. JP Morgan. Even though I don't want to buy these guys, but Yamana. Cara Therapeutics. Salesforce. And then we'll go add these ones. Jumping back on the stream. Check out S&P. I'm in Micron and regret it, but it's a hold. Yeah. DPZ and Amazon are some of my highest returns. Yeah, DPZ has had very, very good growth on the last few years. So oh, totally botched that up. 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Alrighty, and got just a few more to add here. Glad I'm coming down to the line. Norvac. A lot of some of these companies are that look to be like penny stocks. T-Mobile, Wells Fargo, Qualcomm, Sony, ETITAS Medicine, and then lastly Comcast. And we'll add these percentages up in there. 1 2 1 1 2 2 1. Oh shoot. 1. Hang on, Comcast didn't get a number, didn't get a rating, huh? That's why. Comcast is a 2. Two, 1 2 1 1 2 2 1. 101%. Maybe that's because Comcast is supposed to be a 0 1. There you guys go. And so that's the portfolio breakdown over the year. That's just back tested, I guess. So that's how I would have done, I guess. In 1 month, 5%. I don't know what I'll probably end up doing is letting it run, and then let me just run back to the chat. How many positions is Coach adding? 50. It looks like 45. And then they'll get dropped. So I'm basing it off of the 100 popular on here on Robinhood, and then with the analyst rating of over 50. So I'll be buying just popular stuff, I guess, and then transferring it. So like for instance, in a month from now or 4 weeks from now will be the 9th. On the 9th, I'll hop back on, and whatever ones are not like still on here will get dropped. So I'll just remove them basically. Looks random. Yeah, it's kind of been random. I mean, eventually I'll probably just go super concentrated into like 10. But for right now, exactly, the large caps, man. I've been thinking of making a retirement account, but I don't know where I should look. I would look at M1 first of all, if you know what you're doing. They also have like target portfolios and that kind of thing, so could get away with that. And then also maybe even I know that there's like Acorns Later. That should be pretty easy to manage, because Acorns Later is they're gonna pretty much do it all for you. So I don't know. Those are two that I would think of. Acorns Later you're gonna pay for $1, and M1 is free. And then Stash, if you want to look at Stash is also available, but it's like $2 a month, which I don't think competing with the other ones is that good of an idea. Super tired today. Yo, so I can't wait to get that. What I'm waiting on right now is for them to let's see the dividend percent for that PEEE coach. Dividend yield is 0.8. It's 0.8. Yep, VND, VT, BND, yep, exactly. Vanguard total market, and then the bond total market, basically. With a few large players in there. Exactly, yeah. But it will change once a month. So right now it's a 0.8 dividend yield. No expense ratio though. I don't even know how it's gonna do, to be honest. I think I'll probably end up being positive lots of months, but eventually what I'll do is when I start finding undervalued companies or companies that I like, I'll just start adding them in there. But I wanted to show you my wife's joint account also that she runs. So this is a separate pie right here. Oh, that's the never mind. Her separate pie is right here, single stocks. And then in here you can also put more as well. So like if you wanted to put another single stock in here, you could put like Google or something like that. But I'm not allowed to do that because it's not my portfolio. Not my profile, hers. She likes big lots right now. Which, sure, go for it. So as you can tell, she makes her deposit once a week. Rough dividend, but you're getting a lot of growth only stocks. Is that the mix? In that mix, like Amazon, exactly, and PayPal. Yeah, Coach. Yes, what's up? Talk to me. Talk to me. What's up? We're going to be giving away that silver here in about 30 minutes. So if you're just joining in, make sure to slap the like button so that way I can give away more coins. So that way you guys can gamble them and hopefully pass Ryan, who has 40,000. Coach, div percent. Can you please explain to me what is an expense ratio? Yeah. An expense ratio basically, let me see if I can do this real quick. I don't know if I can start recording at the same time. Yo, okay, cool. That was awesome. All right, so Hector, what I'm going to do for you actually is I'm just going to take it and turn it into a real quick video that I'll re-upload because it'll be a lot easier. And that way, when other people ask, I can kind of give them the best answer possible. So, give me 1 second. And everybody, if I start saying weird stuff in the stream, it's because I'm going to be running a quick little clip for this question. So, we're just going to go. Oh, because I started recording right away. So, that'll be perfect. Yes. Let me just turn this stuff off real quick. And turn off the display capture. Cool. Alrighty. Let me just stand up real quick. I know it's a little bit dirty, huh? Sorry. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to tackle what is an expense ratio. For those of you guys who don't know, typically expense ratios come along with ETFs. Most ETFs expect you to pay them to some level of degree to either manage that actively or passively. But basically, an expense ratio comes down to what you pay that company for managing that ETF. Obviously, they got to employ technology, resources, and people to get those ETFs built and put together and all that kind of stuff. So you pay them a percent on that, basically. So, for instance, if a stock or ETF is at $20 and the expense ratio is like 0.5, or we'll just go ahead and call it 1%, even though that's pretty high. It's a 1% expense ratio, and it's at $20. That means you're going to be paying them basically, I think, around like 20 cents a year. But actually, I think it's already calculated. I've seen some people say that it's already calculated into that price per share when you go to buy it. However, then my question would be, then how do they calculate it the next year and the next year? What I think And what I believe is that typically if it comes out of the dividends first. So you pay that expense ratio through the dividends, and then at the end of the year, for instance, if they don't pay a dividend, then you would just pay a little bit of a percent. So the share price would drop a little bit, like 20 cents or so at the end of the year. So that's kind of how I understand expense ratios have came to be. But yeah, that's basically it's the amount of money that you have to pay the company for managing that electronically traded fund. So anyways, it's been real. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and check out the other video right up here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Cool, guys. Well, there you go. There you go. So that'll get re-uploaded. But I try to do those so that way I can come out with more content. Because sometimes questions get asked in the stream that like I would like to go answer myself, but I don't have the time, means, resources, or whatever to go take care of that. So just try to do my best, you know. Yeah, it's over 5, exactly. 0.5 is high. Thank you so much, Coach. Yeah, hey, you can't make a video using a real microphone. I know. Well, this morning I uploaded a video that was, I don't know if you guys got to see it, my game bias on gaming stocks or something like that. He's going to clip art and random utensils. For sure. Oh, thanks for hitting that like button. I appreciate it. Here's another 1,000 coins into the stream. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You. Thank you. WR just saw the magic live. There you go. That's kind of how it goes down. It goes down a little bit slower and longer like that. And lately, since I've been doing like jump cuts and that kind of thing, I'll be like, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Thanks for being here. And then like the next scene, I'll wait like probably 5 seconds to be like, by the way, I really appreciate the follow and all that kind of stuff. And then yeah, so it's a little bit more difficult, but yeah, it was good. Thanks, guys. What are KCoins? Evan, thanks for asking. Basically, the person who has the most KCoin at the end of the stream tonight will get half an ounce of silver. I'll send them half an ounce of silver. However, the coins have been racking up for the entire week, so it's likely that you'll probably not win, but there's always next week. Exactly. Yeah, it was from your question. Yeah. So that's how they work. That's what they are. Is basically a system. You can gamble. You can give them away. You can do whatever you want with them. But at the end of the week, I give away half an ounce of silver to whoever has the most KCoin. Which right now, as it sits, I think it's Ryan with 40,000 coin. You check the coins by hitting !coin. What's up, Evan? By the way, thanks for joining, man. First time I've seen you on here. It's weird I don't even have my phone. Where do you buy your silver usually? Usually I buy it on a company called AppMex. They're a little bit higher priced, but I don't like. I used to buy it on eBay because it was so cheap, but that company. But they I feel like I got some fake silver at one point or another, because I've like hit them together a few times, and I'm pretty sure that some of it's fake. So that's why I just go through them. Through the stream though, I was going through AppMex, but they charge like 10 bucks for shipping, so it's not really worth it for me to spend half an ounce and pay another 10 bucks to ship it. So I've been going through eBay, but there's a company, a pretty reputable company. It seems like that similar to AppMex, and those are the people that I've been using. So I'm pretty happy with them. But lately I've just been buying gold. Not silver. Giving away silver, buying gold. In with the gold, out with the silver. Not really, but I do give away a lot of it. JM Bullion, yeah, JM Bullion is great too. They were like one of the first to take cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin, for... Yeah, man, the vault is hating life. You're the only one that like is in the running at all. Everybody else has gone down way down. You're the only one that's close. You got 34,000 coin. I gotta do something real quick. Update here real quick. Yeah, real quick, right here. Timers. Disable this right here. And then add is boom. We'll do that every 10 minutes. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. Alrighty. Is that an Intel hoodie? Nah. This is I don't even know if it used to be. It's Hurley, man. Hurley. Hulry or something. I don't know. Surfing company or whatever it is. Yeah, I wish. That would be way cool. I pretty much just put it on because that was my other shirt was covered in slime tonight. But any stocks you guys would like me to check out? We're gonna go ahead and announce the silver winner here in. I'm trying to save a flip. Congrats, you won. Lost. Don't even like me tonight. Let me get back in here to the let me get back onto the screen. I feel like it's a little bit easier than, you know, just looking at a little bit easier on the eyes than just looking at me the entire time. I understand. No offense, my by no means, no offense. What the? Next era. Energy. Mother's Day, what's the plan? Yo. I know. I think Dude's handling that. Let me, I don't even have my phone, yo. Yo. I don't know if you got any ideas, Ja, but we need to really think about this, man. Why am I Google search? I want to just look at the stock on Yahoo Finance. No, it's not even this one. No, it's not even that one. I'm watching Take Two and WPC. Next era. There we go. Financials. Tell the whole story. They did better this year than they have done in the past. They're making money. That's good. I'm like, if they're not making money, then don't even consider them. Current assets went down from the year before. Total assets increased though. Why is LG stock doing so bad? Probably phone sales, man, if I had to guess. Total liabilities roughly stayed the same. Increased a little bit. Net tangibles increased. Cash flow positive on operating activities. The capital expenditures versus total free cash flow means that they're probably overvalued. Or they're not cheap, I would say. Yeah, they're probably not cheap, but yeah. Dinner, I'm down. Let's go get like Thai food or something like that. Or sushi, or I feel like we go to just Leela's Thai every single time, Ja. But yo, good question, Evan. I've been using Stash and getting pretty comfortable with it. Is that a good app, or is there any other more beneficial out there? Definitely more, I would say, yes, Stash is a good app. Stash is a good app. There might be other apps that you can do more with out there, I guess, if that's what you're asking. But Stash gives people enough freedom, but without letting them basically be able to blow up their account. So, for instance, and I'll just kind of run through a little bit. So right now, basically, as of a couple days ago, I'm going to start covering 4 different accounts. I was only covering 3, which was Stash, Acorns, and Robinhood. Acorns gives you basically no freedom and says, we'll do it all for you. So you basically answer their questions. They throw you into a portfolio that they feel like is best for you. You make deposits and just let it run. Like, you don't have to really do much with it at all as far as managing it. Stash says, no, that's lame. Like, people want to make decisions, so we're going to go ahead and play that. People want to make decisions, but we're going to guide them and try to give them the best picks possible for their account. And so that's where Stash kind of comes in, because Stash says, hey, we got 40 or so ETFs. All of them, by the way, we think are great. And then we got 40 or so single stocks. All of them, by the way, we think are pretty good. And so, you know, first of all, pick your mix and then pick these other kind of investments. But pick what you care about, pick what you like. As long as you use good investing techniques, you should turn out with the account. So Stash gives you like that freedom, but also still kind of puts those guidelines in to kind of help you move along. Then Robinhood comes in, which Robinhood is free, by the way, but it's like there's no strategy on here. Invest whatever you want, buy whatever you want. Who really cares? But the only problem with that is that you also got to buy an entire share of a stock or ETF. You can't just buy it fractionally. So Stash and Acorns allow you to buy shares fractionally. For instance, if you only have $20, you can buy $20 of Amazon stock, even though Amazon stock is upwards of over $1,000, I think over $1,500. So you can still own a part of the company just at a fractional level with a fraction of a share. So then you got M1 Finance, which is a new app that I've been covering, and they basically came out and said, you know, we think that you should have the freedom to invest in whatever you want in. However, we think that we should be able to provide you education and provide pies or like ETFs or portfolios that will help guide you. But if you don't want to take it, you can pretty much go invest in whatever you want in. And we'll go ahead and do it all free and not charge anybody anything. And then also you can invest in it fractionally also. So it's like a game changer almost, in essence, in regards to M1 compared to the other 3 accounts. I should be recording this, you're right. Hopefully I am, but I'm not. I might just go back and pull the stream down. We'll see. But yeah, that's the difference between. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna. Let me write that down. I'll come back and grab that. About an hour and 6 into it. 06. But that's basically why the difference, I guess, between all the 3, 4 accounts. I'm not saying, sitting here and saying like one's better than the other. I'm just saying that you got to weigh their benefits versus their cost, and it's hard to argue with something that costs nothing that offers very similar services as well. So just some thoughts to take into consideration and all that kind of thing. But thanks for asking. I really appreciate it. And if you don't want to pay the $1 fee on Stash, you could buy those same ETFs on M1. Yep. Exactly, Adrian. Now you're talking. Now you're speaking the language. Like, so, not to sit here and trash other apps, because I absolutely love Stash, and I don't think I plan on closing that account for a while. Yeah, M1 Finance is kind of an up and coming, I think, newer style. It's not a newer app. Like, it's been around, I think, as long as the other ones, but I don't think they got as much traction or something like that. So they've been making a bigger push. Acorns versus Stash versus Robinhood versus M1 versus crypto. That would be trying to grab some huge clout right there with that video. But I definitely, you know it, that I'll be putting out some Acorns versus M1 and Stash versus M1, where I can really bring out a lot of the truth. More present facts, not give my, I think this one's better than this one, because I really think that they all bring something different to the table. Yeah, I mean, I would consider looking at M1. If someone got, say, a referral link low-key into the chat for Evan, so that way he can check them out, and then also you guys can get paid like $5 or something like that. But it's good stuff. Yeah, definitely good stuff. Yo, right. Yo, it's so weird. It's like a Saturday, but I feel like the market should be open right now. Oh, man, I totally turned on the volume, huh? Oh, right here. Sorry if I just messed up the volume on the back. Let me know if it's starting to peak or something like that. I like turn it down or turn it up or so. I did something weird with it. Coach, we getting you further up that mountain? Yo, tell me, man. The climb is real. This is actually one of the busiest streams I've had in a while. Forget Crypto Nick, we got Coach. Yeah, and I'm bringing it real, man. Yeah, I own cryptocurrency. I get it. I own it. You don't see me pumping BitConnect, nor will I hope to cross my fingers ever promote something that's like BitConnect. That's why, like, safely, like, I just, like, yeah, like, use one of the accounts. Use your M1's wife. You know what's so funny? She was like, the other day, she was like, I can use this link. She's like, put this on your videos. Put this on here. Just do something with it. There you go. Thanks, Slash. Evan. The link below will take you to M1 if you want to get signed up, or when you want to get signed up. Use that link. That'll give you guys both $5. Or I think $10 or something like that. I don't know. Help out a fellow subscriber, though. Earn some cash from the big man. And then tell him Coach Keith sent you. But yeah, definitely. That's... Yeah, this is like one of my favorite songs that come up on non-copyrighted. I wonder how shorting this one looks. Or not shorting, my bad. A short-term swing on this one it would be. Oh yeah. Yo, for real though? They're consolidating so hard right now. Except for that day. What the heck happened there? I'm gonna go put these on my profile in any meeting. Probably put a good swing trade in. Thanks for the, oh my goodness, $160 a share. That's quite a bit, but I might take a chance. I might take a stab at it. I don't know if I can say that on the stream, but yeah, I might do something with it. Never put your eggs in one basket. Rule applies to everything. Exactly. Mrs. Coach thinking, yes, plug. It's $5. Yeah. Nah, man, she could plug her own account. I'm the one that's got the platform to plug. If she wants to plug, she can go build her own platform. The only problem is that she would actually probably beat me if she started making videos about M1 and that kind of thing. She would hands down get more viewers. Got about 8 more minutes and I'll be giving away half an ounce of silver. Yeah, I've been watching them lately. I'm not happy, but I've been watching. I mean, we're up right now over the day, but it's still down like almost $1,000 and like 400, I want to say, and 300 from Ethereum. Why? 682 this week. Definitely long term. Honeywell. I think I know that you're asking all about the ones on what's one right here? Honeywell. So their gross profit continues to grow. Operating income, that's a pretty big deal. They almost jumped up. Well, they jumped up a lot more than they did the last 2 years. Last year's they just been stagnant. They had a lot of income tax expenses this year. Maybe they couldn't write off any more debt or something like that. I don't know. They make fans, heaters, homes, appliances, slash Simon. You're talking about Simon Mark Property Management Group? Yeah, exactly. I know what you're talking about. Mining contracts. Yo, those people that were pumping those mining contracts literally gotta have so many coin, so much like free on Genesis mining that still pays them. That's still crazy to think about. The liabilities almost jumped up twice as much. Ooh, bite my tongue there. I need some coffee. What up, Tim, man? It's good to see you, bro. It's been so long, man. It was good to see you last night for the little time that we had together as well. Yeah, it's in REIT. Simon Property, yeah. What got you into investing? Me? Yo. Let me go ahead and start up the recorder again. Yo, so what got me into investing? Interesting enough. You know, it was something a while ago I had always wanted to do. Even in college, when I first went off to college, I was like, I need to start investing my money. Like, I always wanted to put it into a savings account. Like, I would always think about how compound interest would work on a savings account. And that's all I could ever think about. I never thought about, like, investing. I didn't, by the way, I hardly ever knew what stocks were. And then I started to look into, around like 2010, I started to look into investing into stocks because it was starting to pay into a 401k. So it started to strike my interest. I was like, I should probably see if I can open up my own brokerage account and see how that works. And I was like, so I look around and there's no accounts that, like, you literally had like a minimum of like $2,000 or something like that. And at that time I didn't have it. So I was like, well, this is lame. So I just like kind of lost all hope. And, you know, fast forward probably like another 5 years, and my wife at the time was my girlfriend, fiance, maybe. I used to drink a lot of Slurpees and things like sodas, I guess, from, you know, like the gas station 7-Eleven is what it's out here. And they, and so she was like, you know, instead of buying Slurpees, like, why don't you just, instead of the money that goes towards a Slurpee, just hold off and buy stock instead in the company. I was like, that's a great idea. And so I was like, okay, well, let me hold off on that. And so then I started looking for an account that I could basically fund with very minimal amounts of money. And so that's where I got, then I opened up a Fidelity account, and from there I realized that, wow, the trading fees on here are $7.95 or so every single time I'm buying something. So there's no way that I'm ever going to make money when I'm only depositing like $20 every single week in here. Literally half of my account is getting spent on a trading fee every single 2 weeks, basically, or every single week. And so after that, I started looking for other accounts that were cheaper or free. And that's when I ran across Robinhood. And Robinhood at the time was like very, very small. They only had Robinhood, it was like Robinhood regular, Robinhood cash account. They didn't even have Robinhood instant or anything like that. So whenever you bought something and then sold it, you had to wait 3 days for that to come back and hit your account. So it was like super, super lame. I opened it up originally trying to just day trade, and that didn't work out. So I basically tried to day trade probably like, I would say 3-4 months. No success there. Switched over to swing trading, had a lot more success there. Also at the same time, Acorn started marketing pretty hardcore. I signed up for an Acorns account, started putting my money over there, and then also signed up for a Stash account when I found out about them as well. And then those are pretty much the 3 accounts that I've been working with since then, since I got investing. So that's how and why I got into investing. I just really like the idea of compounding interest, and I like the excitement. I like the strategy more or less. I guess I'm attracted to strategically that kind of stuff approach, not so much like, I mean, yeah, it's nice to make money, but I like the strategy. Like, why do it where you're doing portfolios or percentages breakdown, and why do it this way or why do it that way is what I really like about the investing side. And why looking at this, why is this person's financials predictive of what will happen in this company's future, and how likely will that happen? Very interested in the statistical side of it as well. So that's what has really gotten me into investing. And the video cut out, so thanks for watching. That explains it. Hopefully that makes a lot more sense. Let me go grab a new battery, guys. Real quick. Alright, that one's still got full battery. I'll be right back though. I gotta go put this one on the charger. Oh, yo! No! Jesus. Freaking slime. Why? Why do I do that to myself? Tomorrow's Mother's Day. Hopefully you all appreciate your mothers. Hopefully you appreciate them. I know I'll be appreciating mine. So Honeywell. They don't look too bad, I would say. Nothing like really like is like, yo, that's bad. That just don't go there. Mostly operating income, they continue to grow and that kind of stuff. So I would be interested how much capital employed they do versus operating income, but plug the numbers in on the chart. I think I sent it to everybody. Getting back to this stream here. Yo, what's up, Jesters? Welcome to the stream, man. Good to see you. By the way, I had so much fun last night. I actually have started to play Fortnite religiously. No, not really, but I did play a little bit this morning. Investing 101. I wish I started sooner. We all do, man, and that's why I think Warren Buffett says that like his one regret with investing is that he should have started earlier. Right, making my final run. Stormy out here. About time for bed. I know. It's actually nice. We had got some rain today here, but not too much. What up, Travis? What up, Coach? What, Coach? My dude. Alrighty. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. We got my wife something. We got her some flowers. Jacob's real good at Mother's Day. Dude. Cool. People just come on to watch me dance. I don't know that way it works. Tonight. Yo, I think that what we should do is like one stream. Let me know this. Yeah, and maybe next time like we won't have problems with this stream, so we'll get to play some more games, have some more gameplay instead of fix play or whatever it's called. Busted. Yeah, who won that silver? Not you. Nah, it looks like it's gonna be Ryan coming in real quick. I'm probably gonna set a 5-minute timer here in just a second. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna be dueling again. Dueling it up. Running the dualies. Actually, I think it would be way cool eventually, which I don't know many people that stream Fortnite that play Xbox. I have a lot of people that I follow that play on PS4. So I got one guy, I think he plays on PC. So I'm going to reach out to him and see. He's got like 1,000+ subs. So I'm going to see if he wants to join up. And then also, I'm looking for another person. So Gestures, if you know someone that runs a stream also, I would say that does 5 days a week or I would say not even 5 days a week, that just runs a stream. It would be cool to get him on also so we could get our like own little Friday night stream, and then we could just all kind of cross promote each other through different platforms and that kind of thing. Anyways, I'll talk to you more about it. Not trying to give away all my leads on here, you know. Give button don't work. Is give. Oh, what the heck? How much coin you got? It should work, yo. Give 300 out, Ryan. I think you might have to go like that. It's either that way or the other way. Yeah, that's what you got to do. You got to use the actual @ sign. Yeah, man, hit me up. Let's see if we can get more people in there. Exactly. That's what I'm thinking. The bigger the party, the better. The more the merrier. Especially because we got to create such a wave because it's Fortnite. Like, that's all I'm saying, man. Is that it'll be hard for you, especially you guys. I could really care less about attracting other subscribers to that stream. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. That's more that's serious about it, I guess. All right, cool. We're gonna go ahead and play a 5-minute timer countdown. All right, so the timer is on 5 minutes, guys. That's when the silver winner announcer will be announced. So get them while it's hot. Game stream. Yes, you know the game stream is on fire. Yo, but that's awesome that that Overwatch has been helping you get subs, man. That's awesome. Long-term focus. Short-term gains. Nah, that's not a good song. Long-term focus. Short-term blindness. My chair is sinking. Ryan's about to win this. Nah, don't judge me on my rap skills, guys. My wife will literally, if she watched the stream and heard me rap, she would like tell me, no more streaming. No more. Cut it off. Get out of here. Evan, 1,000, man. You guys better gamble that. Somebody's rolling around with 40 thou. I can tell you right now, someone is rolling around with 40 thou. Travis pulling in the lead with 47. I gotta take this off right here. Here, I'll just leave this up so you guys can see, and then I'll pull this down because that one doesn't even matter anymore. Just don't gamble yourself into a loss. Slash is on his way up, man. We got 2 minutes and 29 seconds left. Get him in. Oh, dang. Gambled it all. Reward. I didn't think I gave out points for... Yeah, dude, it's really been helping me grow. I started streaming a little too early this morning. Didn't think that since Saturday most people would be sleeping on the West Coast. Yeah. I mean, it happens. I would try to actually... my brother was saying that he's found that basing his time based upon like the East Coast time and wake up time for them, like so like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock actually works better because there's more people that live on the East Coast or something like that. I don't know. I don't know if that's exactly accurate, but... Oh, man. Somebody's got to go all in, man. Yo, 1 minute and 23 seconds left. I need someone to come up with it. The vault sucks. Yo, you don't put it in parentheses, Evan. You just, it's just flip coin. And then yeah. There you go. Exactly like that. Get them in while they're hot, guys. So for those of you guys that haven't been paying attention, I've been running a stream. I'm going to actually like publish the schedule so that way everybody could see it. It'll probably be at like the bottom. So it'll be like morning, night, or whatever. But basically the mornings will be around the open, and then at night will be around 8 p.m. or so. So anyways, yeah, that's how it works. Oh my goodness, Ryan just pulled into the lead. What? Are you kidding me? This is going crazy. Yo, we only got 27 seconds left. Here we go. 16 seconds left. Six seconds left. 1 second left. 0 seconds left. I know that they're going to come in here in just a second, so I got to see when it actually, like... Because I know that they're going to put them in at the very last minute. Wow. Wow. Ryan, you pulled out again. What the heck? Yes, good stream, man. Really enjoyed it for sure. Yes, definitely. And most of them were like this, but some of them are more laid back and kind of thing like that. So, yeah, definitely. Thanks for coming. The mornings are a little bit more chill. Less people that come, but definitely, man. Evan, thanks for just stopping by, man. I appreciate it. And the coins will reset next week, so you could have your bid at a half an ounce of silver. But the winner tonight is going to be Ryan Hudson, second week in a row. He's on a 2-week record I see my name. Yeah, man, you made it on here. Congrats. Right here, 1300. They don't mean anything anymore, but they're all gonna get reset. But that should make you feel right about now. Anyways, guys, awesome stuff. Ryan, let's go ahead and same place, same thing. Everything worked great last time, right? So I can get this thing sent out. Yo, you made me crazy work, bro. Good one. That was crazy. Yo, let me get that ordered up for you. Protect my account. I think I just go to my eBay and just go to the reorder. Hopefully nothing important shows up on here. Oh, yeah, that's my phone number. Please don't call me at midnight. But for real though, we're gonna yo, this one works again. This one's good. If it's good, let me know. Yeah, man, video's coming out tomorrow morning, so it'll drop at like 8 o'clock my time. So I don't know where you're located at, but 8 o'clock PST it should drop, and then I'll probably try to get one coming out that night as well. But thanks for hanging out, Eric, or Evan, my bad. Thanks for hanging out, Evan. I appreciate it, man. Thanks. All right. Ryan, you let me know. Yeah, got it. Same coach, all same info. Okay, cool. Let me pull this off of here real quick. Oh, man. Did I shave this? Yes. Okay, cool. No code. All right, cool. It has been... It's been shipped. Your order was placed 21st. Next week. You already know. But there you go, man. Bring on the competition. That's what I'm talking about. Oregon. Yeah, so then you'll get at 8 o'clock. Have a good night, man. Thanks for hanging out earlier. 100%. You know, yes, sir. Oh, you're talking to Tim. Yes. Tim's a great guy. I'd probably be doing the same thing too if I was like, I think like supporting the community, man, is way cool. Like Gestures uses M1 and also Acorns, and he like but games, and so like it's cool because you could go over there and talk to him about Acorns if you wanted to, but he's not gonna talk about it regularly. But it's like, you know, like we're family. Like I know what kind of accounts you're using and that kind of stuff. So I think it's awesome that there's such a community here, guys. I appreciate it. Congrats, Ryan. Again, man, second week in a row. Someone's gonna take you out though. Slash or somebody's got to. They kind of balanced it out though with doing the morning streams. We got less points this week, and I feel like there was a little bit more competition than someone just like completely running away with it. You're welcome, Tim. And we're still sending you that candy, man. It's just we got packets in the mail that came in when we ordered our big like 20 boxes or 20 bars or something like that, and half of them were melted and the wife ate the other half. So I still got one, but I haven't been wanting to send it to you because it's It's literally like, I think it's all melted together. But if you're down, I'll get it shipped out. So I've been like waiting for, my wife was supposed to order more, and she went to order more and they were sold out. So it's been kind of like this like limbo period as far as getting those candy bars sent out. But if you're cool, I'll go ahead and send you out that the one that's it's been in the refrigerator, so it's not like it's been like bad or anything like that. It just got melted on the way in because, you know, UPS doesn't ship with, or USPS doesn't ship with refrigerators and that kind of thing. CS and T's 2 days. I had for her earlier, but I got greedy and fed it off. I know, man. That's what happens. But that's how you run away with it, though. It's just throwing a quick flip. Okay, for sure. Then I'll just go ahead and get that shit out. Yeah, I have a lot of respect for you for giving it back to the community. A lot of YouTubers don't do that, especially big name YouTubers. I mean, I don't consider myself a big name YouTuber yet. I got almost to 2,000 subs, but like, I just always want to keep it real life here. That's kind of my goal. Like, that's why I filmed making slime today, because like, this girl doesn't, I think she has one video out on her channel, but she's, I think, like 10 years old or 12 years old or something. And like, I'm like, anything I could do, like, we're gonna upload them to both channels and see how it does. But I think that it was fun, and she was like, maybe we could do like something like that, like once a week or something. I was like, slime is expensive, but yeah, like, why not? Like, let's try to keep it real. Like, I get a platform to talk about investing for the most part, but I also have a platform and a responsibility to help out other people that are trying to do the same thing that I am, through a different avenue. So, thanks, Eric. You can keep it. Nah, man, we're gonna send that thing out. Now, I don't know what happened. I came from third ghost, and Travis had me beat at the start of the day. He just started gambling, man. Travis is a gambling man. That's the way he runs it. He's just a gambling man. What I missed? I heard UPS. I said USPS doesn't ship in refrigerated stuff, so chocolate bars come melted. Wow, man, I can't believe 2 weeks in a row. That's the second. The last 4 weeks I've given out ½ ounce of silvers. Literally, the two people who have won 2 weeks in a row. That's crazy. You're a small YouTuber, but I feel like you have done more than big name YouTubers. You have helped a lot. For sure, man. Thanks, Eric. Much love, man. I appreciate it. That's all you can do, though, is be as real as it gets on the channel, on the stream. I don't think people really want to see that, really see fake stuff. Like, it's entertaining by all means, don't get me wrong, but it's not, there's just authenticity missing, and I think that that's something that I strive to put forth on my channel, which I think sometimes does limit the subscribers with all the different microphones I've been holding up or whatever. But yo, broke 10 viewers. What is this? Hey, did you talk to my mom about Mother's Day? Is she still up? Oh. I wonder for how long. Oh. Okay, cool. Not cool. Just broke 11 sub. 11, yeah. You know me. Slurpee. I don't know why my wife got me this thing so late at night. That's terrible. But it tastes so good. Yeah, haha, see you, Tim. Ringo's got near me, and I flipped it all away. Jake, are you live now? I don't think he is. No, I'm off already. Got to work tomorrow. Yeah. Keep it up. Lit fire. Yeah, man. You know it. Thanks, Slurpee. Dude, I would bring one by, man. Dude's talking to Mom right now, Joe, about where plans for tomorrow or something like that. I was hoping that Travis would have won tonight. Started to play through on Fallout 4 stream tonight. It was really fun. I never got really into playing Fallout or anything like that. Can you give us the... Yeah. They're all going to be erased tomorrow. Here you go. Here's 500 thou. Jake, if you're live, I'll be there soon. There you guys go. Enjoy. Have fun. You only... Oh, I always go to Ethan Allen, man. Fire. Why Tim's still here, Flipcoin? He's got so much, he just had to do it all. Dang, lost. What are these little tick marks on there? Is that like the daily or something? I don't even know what the heck that is. That's weird as heck. Yo. 15-minute interval. I know you guys can't even see what's going on there. I don't recommend buying or selling cryptocurrency. Just solely I do it for speculation and to have fun when the market's closed. I saw coins come in and I needed 0 for the week. For real though. See you, Tim. You just won that? That's so many coin. Quick, take a picture. See ya, Evan. See ya, man. Signing off. Evan signing out. Gotta throw in the towel, hit the bed. I understand. It's getting past my bedtime. Oh. So how do I gamble the coins? Exclamation mark, flip coin, and then the amount that you would like to gamble, but it has to be an amount that you already have in your wallet. So you check that by typing in exclamation mark KCoin, no spaces. Also, how do I know how much coin I have? Yeah, you just check. If you look at my commands, or if you look in the description, there's a breakdown in there also. But you check by, if you look at the command that I just put out there, and it'll tell me. You lost. Broke. Oh man, it got me. Doesn't like going over to 2,000, 2 mil. Yeah, so usually you don't get that many coin, but I gave out like a lot. So. Coach, just imagine what'll happen to flipcoin when you start pulling in 30 to 40 people. I know, that's what I'm saying. I don't know how it'll stay in. I don't know how to stay in. Well, I can slow down. I can also manually slow down the amount of coins that you can bet at the same time. So I can slow that down on here. Yeah, I can slow it down on one of these places. I think I'll be able to slow it down. Or I can also turn up the max entry as well. It'll probably keep up though. This stream is lit. Dang, this stream is lit. What's up, Psycho Plays? Welcome to the stream, man. Never came around. Not came around much. But yeah, welcome, dude. It's like already I feel like we're at the tail end of it. But everybody always picks it up at the very end. I already gave away half an ounce of silver, but everybody continues to just like keep on coming, and it's like I can't get out of this. The stream like keeps you here. Psycho, what up, man? Go to see you over great on the stream. Dropped a like. Thanks, dude. Fussbot, right? Yes, Fussbot. Eric, no commas. Yes, there you go. There you go, 110,000. Nothing much, man. Started a new live stream Fallout series on my channel. Follow. Yes. Let me go ahead and reward some of those for that like. Calling the loan. Ryan, you're pushing 2 mil, man. Voice crack. What's up? How much is it worth in silver? Nothing. It's worth half an ounce. That's what you're getting. Voice crack. What's up? I don't know who you calling voice crack, but what's up? Ryan, pay me back. The bank now. What's silver? So Psycho, on my stream, I stream either in the morning during the market open or at night, just like kind of like a market recap or something like that. But at the end of the week, so every Saturday night, I give away half an ounce of silver to the person who has the most points or most KCoin, and that's how you get the half an ounce silver, is by having the most KCoin. Ryan actually won it this week with I think like 40,000 coin, but then after it was over, I gave away like 500,000 coin to everybody in the stream. So basically that's how it works. Yeah, man, you gotta flip. If I give out too much, then it will devalue the coin and people will be like, give us more. Exactly, man. Yo, I got you. There you go. Someone just gave you like 500,000. There you go, man. I'm gonna try to be, man. Bringing to you Stash, Acorns, and Robinhood is M1 Finance. It was so awkward when I said that this morning for the video. I was like, whoa, like what? I don't know if I could do that. Just keeping it real, keeping it as real as possible. Yo, I was thinking about trying to get an FA on here. I think I know one. Would that be something that you guys would be interested in? Leading the way, man. Someone's got a spearhead. Someone's spearheading it. Actually, there's another guy that has started, I think, because he's seen my stream and seen how poppin' it gets, that he was been trying to clout on it a little bit, but I have mad props for him. So he's got more subscribers than me, but what he lacks is the community. Right, I hope that I take you down next week. Yo, it sounds like we're gonna have some steep competition for next week. The markets are picking up again, hopefully. I think investing channels will gain in popularity. Yeah, whenever my channel is so funny. It fluctuates so hardcore with the market. It's like an understatement. In January, I had my biggest month as far as like what I got paid, and then February is like my lowest month than what I got paid like in the last like 5 or 6 months. So there are some, but none as authentic and passionate about investing as coach. Been here since 400 subs. We're tipping 2,000, and we're going all the way up to 100,000. That's my goal this year, is to hit 100,000. So I don't know if it'll happen this year, but I hope it does. So it's gonna be I feel like a little bit more work, but yo, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just like penciling around here. The pencil dance. There you guys go. You guys are getting the hang of it, man. Ups, I put another 0. LOL. Lost, man. It's always the worst thing when you lose, because it's like, oh man, how do I get those coins back? And it's like, oh, I gotta watch more time. Yeah, apparently. Yeah, man, I'm trying to go to 100,000 this year with subs. That's why, like, if I can help someone else get to 1 million, and I can get 1/10 of what they got, I'd be straight. I'd be good. Everybody. See, guys, the thing is about the channel is that it's a lot of people talk about investing and that's all they get to talk about. For me, one thing that I wanted to shy away from was always keeping it investing related. That's why I instituted like a Fortnite stream also. Plus I get to hang out with other streamers as well. So it's way cool for that reason, just that reason alone. But I wanted something more than just like, we come here to watch investing videos. I wanted the people to be around the channel for Coach Keith and not for Stash and Acorns and Robinhood. Even though that is what I talk about mostly, because that's what I'm currently doing to invest a lot of my money. But yo, oh my goodness, the jazz on this. You guys hearing this song? Hear that sax? Yo, it's pretty much like running a radio station up in here. So yeah, like that's what I was kind of been wrestling with like the past like 3-4 months. Let me grab another battery real quick for you guys. But this will be the last battery, and I'll run the stream up until 11:30, and I promise then I gotta get off. To go play some Fortnite. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna play. I'll probably play like one game tonight, let's be honest. What's up, guys? I'm back. Yeah, for sure. During downtimes, people will be searching. Hang on, gotta run back from the stream a little bit. Missed a lot of stuff. Coach, the daily grind has been helping me. I'm having more and more people tell me that I'm pooping up their recommended videos. Good. That's what you want to do, man. Poop it up. They shouldn't see anybody else except for gestures. That's all they want to see. That's great, man. I'm getting into that algorithm, man. Exactly. That's all that matters, man. You want to, and here's hands down, this is the best advice that I can give anybody that's making YouTube videos. The only way to get views on YouTube is to make videos. And that's it. That's really all there is to it. If you have one subscriber, if you get one viewer that comes to your channel and he watches one video, that equals one view. However, if he comes to your channel and you have 100 videos and he watches 100 different videos on your channel, that's 100 different views. So think about it like that. So if you're getting 2 views a video and you come out with 100, instead of getting 100 views, now you're getting 200 views. It's where if you only came out with 50 videos, you would be getting 100. So content, every day content equals, I think that's the best performance plan for YouTube. During downtimes, people will be searching what to do during market sell-offs. You should capitalize on that. Maybe do a report when that happens. For sure, definitely. Thanks. I will. Market sell-off, you said, huh? What to do during market sell-offs? Keep it in cash, man. Do during. All in, psycho. All right, it scrolled me way down to the very beginning of the stream, so catching back up with you guys. Gonna go check out your brothers for sure. I just seen that. Have fun, Ryan. I'll be probably headed over there a little bit after this, because you know that's what I'm gonna do. I'm poor now. It happens. EDC is soon. Yes, it is. I'm currently doing overhead presses. Do you do exercise coaching videos? I probably would have a few years ago. I was really into running. I did a whole lot of ultra running. And in college, I was really into working out. Got really into running. And then now I've just kind of been more focused with this kind of stuff. And I know that my health has been fading a little bit. Been fighting, I guess, struggling with my weight, just to be real. Ever since I was young, but I did lose quite a bit for like 3-4 years ago, and since I have been doing this, which is a lot of sitting down and that kind of stuff, I've gained obviously weight. You guys can probably go back and watch the first videos and be like, yeah, okay, coach, we get it. But I'm hoping that because I'm taking days off now, Saturday and Sunday, that I'll be able to get back into biking and then hopefully back into running as well, so I can get back into those ultra races that I was running before. They just take time, and this YouTube thing has consumed a lot of my time, but I'm okay with it. And actually, I just got a planner last week, and I've been using it a lot more this week, and that has been really helping me keep on task and stay on task and make sure I'm getting done what I need to get done. So yeah, it's been actually helping quite a bit. And as you can tell, that's why there was a video that came out this morning. And unfortunately, there won't be any videos that come out like Sunday night or Monday morning. But obviously, I didn't get a plan that far ahead to get those scheduled to release. But definitely tomorrow morning there will be a stash video that comes out. And then Monday night will be the live stream again. So, or Monday, I think it's Monday morning. Monday morning will be the live stream. And then Tuesday night, yeah, okay, that's how it works. Well, question, which better, bank savings or stash cash? Ooh, I don't know what stash cash, I think I'd have to check with the other mods about what they pay. I run an account I have a savings account with Navy Federal. We'll see what APR they pay. They pay about, well, that's not basic savings. I think it'll say on here, savings account. I think it's this one right here. I don't know what they calculate how much you'll save. They pay a 1.25%. It looks like that's what they're calculating at least. And then they give you on here. It's so funny. It's so funny because they give you a compounding interest chart, right? The only problem with this is that you're not gonna be able to compound when inflation is 3%. on an account that pays you 1.25%. Just saying. So if they, I'm gonna assume that they pay at 1.25%. I don't know if that's what they pay, and I don't know why they don't have it advertised. But that's what I'm gonna assume, which sounds about right. And then Stash Cash. I don't. Maybe it's one Stash Invest or something like that. Oh man, I don't want to go to Stash Vault. It might say on here. Just run it back through the stream real quick. Who can play Fortnite with me? Add me, Coach Keith. I'll add you when I get on again. Psychos S Plays. I don't know if you play PS4 or Xbox, but add me. I'll add you back. I'm trying to lose weight to get into shape again to run the Spartan race. Awesome, man. Dude, Spartan race looks so sick. I heard it's pretty hard though, but like, that's awesome, man. I hope that you keep it up, dude. Dang, that's awesome, Eric. Those are no jokes. Yeah. Or much respect. I heard that most successful people keep a planner. Dude, planner is life changer. Is a game changer. Let's see if it says it on here. Stash Cash. Maybe it's on, not on here. Maybe it's on, I gotta probably go to support. Yeah, exactly, and that's what most people use because I think that pays the highest interest. Yo, so it doesn't say on here. Huh. I don't know what Stash pays, but I think it's around, it's probably about the same. I think it's like 0.95 or something. So it'll be better with the savings account versus Stash Cash. But I do know that Stash is planning on opening up Stash Banking here. Probably, if I had to guess, I would say in the next month. Look at that Visa though, man. That thing looks sweet. Just that thing alone, man. That's why I want it. Just that one alone. Anyways, yeah. I can't tonight. I've got to work, but yeah. Gestures Fortnite. Yes, he. Okay. Whew. Gestures Fortnite. Not appreciation. Fortnite duo. Anyone. I can't tonight. Yeah, I can, but I probably could get one game and that would be it. But I suck. So unless you want to carry me, that's all you would be doing. We're gonna have to play soon. Yes. I use Ally. Mine is 6.66% under 500. I need you to get me to 100 wins. Ja has a sweet setup. He does, yes. You want an emergency fund to be liquid. Okay, Xbox. Yeah, add me then, Coach Keith. That should be my, oh, Coach _ Keith. My bad. Coach _ So did the same thing last night with gestures. If it goes back to free for a year, let me know, Coach. I will, yes. I'll let you know. Alrighty. Yo, I'm gonna head out, guys, for sure. See you later, Jess. Good man. Yeah, missing medals. I miss some trophies, that's why I wanted to do it. It better be the... See you later, Gestures, man. Get some sleep. Have fun at work tomorrow. See you when you hop on the stream again. I hope so. I hope to catch you again. At least for a few minutes. I used to be a track runner, soccer player. Yeah, man. I think that's the way that I got about it, too. I played lacrosse all throughout high school and into college, NCAA. And then running, I guess, kind of filled that void of wanting to compete. And so I think the spirit of competition was fun for me. I honestly, I actually ended up coaching track and field for 2 years, about like 3 or 4 years ago. That was fun. I did cross country and track and field, coached both of those. That was really fun. Had a pretty good cross country team. Track team wasn't as good because we didn't have a field team, so we only competed in the running events, and we were really kind of left with like the leftovers at our school for track. So it's weird. I'm adding some yoga into my workout routines. I lost 8 pounds doing P90X3, but then I got sick for a week. Yeah, man, that's what happens when you start working out way too hard, but you'll be fine. Just stick with it, dude. P90X is hard stuff, man. For real though, it's hard stuff. Interest rate for my savings. When you liquidate your brokerage, there is a 2 to 3 day settlement time plus ACH transfer times. So maybe 7 days to get the money. With the savings account, it'll only take 2 days. Yeah. No, and I definitely agree. Cool. Well, it looks like a lot of people are jumping off. Which is good. It was getting close to that time anyways. For moi to exit. If you guys would, what's the plan for next week's weekdays stream again? So Monday, it'll be in the morning. Tuesday will be at night. It'll be right after the Stash Investor stream. And then Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, Friday night, Saturday night. And I'll get a schedule uploaded onto the actual stream. It'll be down at the very bottom so you guys can see. That'll be the schedule pretty much from here on out, because Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday night I have stuff going on at night, so the stream would be pushed back honestly until like 9:30, 10 o'clock my time. So I think it would just be better to get it done in the morning. That way I'm not like stressing to like get back home to get the stream up for you guys or whatever. So I hope that makes a lot of sense. Guys, if you would just do me a quick favor before you guys head out, if you could go over to my brother's YouTube channel and just type into the chat on his channel and be like Keith or Coach Keith Raid. That would be awesome if you guys could do that. I'll jump over there too and do that as well. And if you guys like his content or enjoy it, feel free to hit the subscribe button over there and the noties. But until next time, guys, it's been real. I'll see you over there right now. Here's the link again. Go over there, type in Coach Keith Raid. That would be awesome. He would enjoy it. He would forever love you guys. And that I promise. Anyways, it's been real. It's been Coach. See you guys.